Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome on GNANGSTUDIO for the. Under this video, you can subscribe to our channel and get ready. Today, I want to show you how to have multi-wallpaper on your Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Please note it. This is available for all Samsung in the world. Okay? Let me show you right now how to do this. Get ready to clean your screen right now and let's do it. Okay, look on my screen. Wow, what is this? It's so beautiful. Look at again. What the hell? What is this? This is another wallpaper. And when you do this, look at again another wallpaper. What is this and how to install this on your phone? Let me show you this. Woo! Right now. Look at that, bro. I like it. Wow! Look at all of this. This is multi-wallpaper. Multi-pack wallpaper. What the hell? All of this are beautiful, nice. Oh, I like it. What else? Woo! Beautiful. What do you think? I am believable. Ooh, look at that, bro. Look at that. Again. Ooh, what the hell? Look at that. What the hell? It's so beautiful, bro. Again. It changed, bro. This is a multi-wallpaper that you can see here. Wow. I like, what the hell? I've not seen this. Look at that again. Look at, ooh, beautiful car. For you, ooh, camera please. Let me show you again. What the hell? Look at this man. Oh, my beautiful Samsung Galaxy Note 8. What? Whoa, look at this player. This is a... What the hell? Whoa. Hi, Mr. Bird. What are you doing on my screen? What the hell? Oh. It's so... nice. Woo, look at it again. Oh. That is so great. This is so great. What the hell? Wow. What is this? This is infinite wallpaper or what? Is it illuminated wallpaper? What? Look at that. Or changing. Many times changing. What I can do. Wow. No stop. Okay. Let me to show you this. Unlock your phone. Get ready. This is Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus ROM. Under this video, you can download this ROM and install this on your Samsung Galaxy S8, S8 Plus, and Note 8. This is Note 8. How to install this? On the end of this video, you will see here or here. No. Here. You will see here. How to install this on your Samsung Galaxy Note 8, S8, and how to see S8 Plus. Now, let's go on wallpaper item. And on wallpaper item, you can see I have done many multi wallpaper. As you see, it's here. Let me see this. As you see, it's so beautiful. And there are many wallpapers into. Many wallpaper. Many things into. Look at also this. Wow, it's so nice. Many colors, wonderful and beautiful. Alright, how to download this now? It's easy to do this. Come on settings here and enter here multi wallpaper and look at this symbol. You can see multi-pack, okay, and you can choose what you want. For example, you can see multi-pack here. Do this. As you see, this is many wallpaper that you can download. Wow! Look at that. Boom! Boom! And another. If you want to download, you can click on download here. Let's go see if another wallpaper that I can see here, also here. What else? Okay. For example, let's see this. Many colors for you. Okay, down. Okay. Let's see this. This is a lion. Wonderful. Multi-pack. Let's put here multi-pack. Multi-pack. Yeah. Multi-pack. And as you can see also, multi-pack wallpaper. Look at that. And it's good. Good. Let's see this. Wonderful. Look at that. Look at that. More beautiful wallpapers into. Okay, click on download. And the downloading started under. Wow. Wait a few minutes. I will test this with you. Get ready. Now, click on apply. And as you see, look at on your beautiful screen. Wonderful. Nice. Now, look at beautiful. Wonderful. All of this for you. Look at that. Okay. Nice. Woo! This is so nice, bro. This is so nice. What else? What the hell? There's so much wallpaper here for you. What you can do? Click on set as wallpaper. If it's done, lock screen. Look at. What the hell? It's not all. Lock screen again. Change it. As you see, it's working. Let me clean my screen right now. Let me clean my screen right now for you and get ready to see this. Woo! Look at that. Look at that. It's amazing. Look at it. Woo! Change it again. It's so beautiful. Wow! What is this? Ooh, camera, please. Stay. Look at that again. Oh, this is so nice. What the hell? Look at that. What the hell? It's so nice. Woo! I like also this. Last screen. Oh, change it again. Multi wallpaper on your screen for you. Have you seen? It's so wonderful. It's so beautiful. And I like it. I like it. Ah, have you seen? Wonderful. This is like Mac OS. Look at that. Oh, so nice and so great. Look at that again. What the hell? What's wrong with you? What is your name, bro? Woo! Change it again for you. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and get ready for the next video. The next video with gaming test on my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Get ready. Pick mobile right now. Let's go.